The golden rule of marketing: building genuine connections. Hey there! Have you ever walked into your favorite coffee shop and instantly felt like a VIP? You know, the kind of place where they greet you by name, already know your order, and then, bam, they surprise you with a free pastry. It's like, wow, they really get me. I'm guessing you've been there, right? That feeling of being treated like you matter, not just another customer, but a person they care about. Now, here's the kicker. What if you could bring that exact vibe into your marketing? That's what I want to talk about today, the golden rule of marketing. And it's really simple. Treat your customers the way you'd want to be treated. Sounds easy, right? Well, here's the twist. Most businesses miss the mark because they get too wrapped up in their own messaging and forget to focus on the person on the other side of the screen. But when you apply the golden rule, it can transform the way your audience sees you and make them feel like they're more than just a transaction. Treat others the way you'd want to be treated. Here is a real-world example. There's a boutique owner, a small business, nothing fancy. In a crowded market, what made them stand out? They decided to do something that a lot of businesses overlook. They actually listened to their customers. Instead of just blasting generic sale, sale, sale ads everywhere, they made a point to ask their customers a few key questions. What styles are you loving right now? What's your biggest wardrobe struggle? How can we make your shopping experience better? By engaging customers in this way, they found out what their audience really cared about. It wasn't just about selling products. It was about creating a real connection. Now, here's where it gets exciting. After they implemented this feedback loop, their marketing changed. Emails weren't just, here's a discount anymore. They were full of personalized recommendations based on what the customers had said they liked. Social media posts felt like conversations, not ads. It was more like having a best friend giving you shopping advice rather than feeling like you're being sold to. Personalized marketing equals more sales. And the results? Their sales doubled in just a few months. But the real magic wasn't just in the sales. It was in the customer loyalty. People don't just buy from you once. They come back because they feel valued. And guess what? You don't need a massive budget to make this work. Here's what you can do. 1. Reply to comments on your social media posts. Engage with people who are taking the time to talk to you. 2. Ask your audience what they really want to see more of. Get feedback and actually listen. 3. Create content that feels authentic. People are tired of fake and salesy. Just be real. Share behind the scenes, give them insights, and make them feel like part of your journey. It's not about pushing products at your audience. It's about connecting with them on a deeper level. And when they feel understood, they stick around. So here's my challenge for you. What's one simple thing you can do this week to make your customers feel like VIPs? Can you start a conversation with them on social media, send a personalized email, maybe even just ask them what they'd like to see next from you? Whatever it is, I want you to make them feel special. And hey, if this idea resonated with you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below. I want to know how you're going to apply the golden rule of marketing to your business. Remember, marketing isn't about shouting louder, it's about connecting better. Here's to making your marketing feel more human and more real. Catch you in the next video. Subscribe for more marketing tips.